Alright, gang, we're gonna do, excuse me, 2018 Rookies and Stars Football Round 2. If you haven't watched the first video, go watch that because it was like crazy good. I don't think this box can top that. I don't see how it could. So I kind of, it's kind of like I peaked already and now, I don't know. Still could be some good stuff, and I mean, maybe Rookies and Stars, like I contemplated in video 1, it's just going to be just lights out, a great product. Or maybe I just lucky as hell, so we are about to find out. There are 2 autos, 2 mem cards. I found out there are also a buttload of inserts and numbered parallels. You get, if I remember correctly, 2 rookies per pack. The base cards are just, they are what they are. Didn't actually end up with a ton of base. You get so many inserts, it was almost like, I think I ended up with more inserts and parallels than I did base cards. Let me see. This was the rookie cards from box 1. This was the little bit of base. I mean, the rookie cards count as base, but you know what I mean. And this was inserts and parallels, not counting some of the big hits that I pulled out of there. Like you can see, this one's numbered out of 49. But anyways, check that video out because that was craziness. I hope this is half as good as that box was. Excuse me. Alright, let's get into it. See what we see. Alright, here's Mr. Bortles, Von Miller, McCoy. Jordan Howard is hit number 1, and it's an autograph, numbered out of 49. I actually really like Jordan Howard, so to me this is a good hit. Looks like there's a touch of white showing down there on that corner. But other than that, nice short print autograph of a good player. Alright, Calvin Ridley, Rookie Rush. Precision Passers, Aaron Rodgers. Touchdown Club, Fournette. Gurley, Action Packed. And the rookies are Tremaine Edmonds and Josh Allen. So I call that a pretty good start. Alright, Stafford, Josh Norman, Tyrod Taylor, Allen Robinson, jersey. NFL Authentic. Just a plain white swatch. Nothing too crazy there, not numbered. Alright, Joey Bosa, Standing Ovation. Tom Brady, Star-Studded. Precision Passers, Russell Wilson, a Christian Kirk Crusade. And this is numbered out of 65. So it is a parallel version. I did not get a base, a Crusade insert in box 1, but I did get an autograph. When you see that video, you'll see who. Justin Reed and Darius Geis. Yeah, that was just craziness. I didn't even really react that much because I was like kind of in shock. Michael Tom, what? I see 1 of 1. Are you kidding me? Really? Please let this be something good. It is a Baker Mayfield Precision Passers 1 of 1. Not an autograph, but still a Baker Mayfield 1 of 1. So to me, that's a very, very good card. There, it's written right there. Wow. Alright then, sweet. Phillip Rivers, Touchdown Club. Jordan Howard, Action Packed. Mitchell Trubisky, Standing Ovation. Bradley Chubb, Rookie Rush. And then Ian Thomas and Jaleel Scott are the rookies. Matt Ryan, Golden Tate. A Jaleel Scott rookie parallel numbered to 25. Although we got issues here.